know that William Wordsworth was a romantic poet, and if this kind of question is asked in a very short question, that you can write only within few lines, you can answer romanticism of William Wordsworth. Okay, William Wordsworth led a revolt because he belonged to the 19th century. So it is believed that there was a revolt against which century? The neoclassical era or the neoclassical poetry, because we find a lot of difference between neoclassical poetry and romantic poetry, and they both were very different, both in subject matter and in style. Okay, there we find a lot of difference between neoclassical poetry and romantic poetry, and they were very different in theme also, in style also, even in language also. So William Wordsworth, he introduced new subjects, right? Why we say that William Wordsworth was a romantic poet, or where we can find the romanticism in his poems, that he introduced new subjects like village life. Okay, and you can have the example VR7, the education of nature, like village life, shepherd, peasants, reapers, poor innocent person. Actually, they had been the main character of the poems of William Wordsworth, while on the other hand, the main character of neoclassical poetry were only aristocratic characters. Okay, those person who were concerned with aristocratic family, high society. But William Wordsworth, he preferred to draw or to give a description of poor innocent simple person, or those character he depicted who were somewhere related to village life, right? So innocent person using their simple language, because his characters were simple, they were innocent, and they were very far from any kind of artificiality. So of course he also used simple language, though his own friend S.T. Coleridge, he went against of William Wordsworth, and he didn't find any reason behind this, any logic behind this, that you are a poet and why you are using such a simple language, such a simple poetic diction. But William Wordsworth's theme was based on poor person, simple person. So this is why that William Wordsworth preferred simple language, and he didn't use what kind of language? The language of high society, high people, aristocratic people, and not aristocratic men and women or town or court life with artificial language, because villagers or village people, they are very simple, their hearts are always of gold, of diamond. This is why that their language is also very simple. With artificial language, the theme and the language of his poetry is of the common man. So this is very important, and this is the romanticism of William Wordsworth. And neoclassical poets, they always preferred what kind of language? Artificial language, because they had to depict aristocratic men or artificial men, people of town or people